It is important for any individual or company that intends to carry on money lending services in Nigeria to obtain a money lending license. Good day. My name is Omolade Animashan, and today I'll be speaking on obtaining money lending license in Nigeria. First, let me start by saying that only persons licensed to be money lenders by the relevant authority in Nigeria can carry on money lending services. So what then are the regulations guiding money lending in Nigeria? Money lending in Nigeria is governed by or regulated by state laws, meaning that each state has a specific law governing money lending activities. What this simply means is that the procedure for obtaining money lending license differs according to each state. So apart from these money lender license laws, the money lending business is also governed by the FCCPC Act. That's the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act. And the FCCPC Act was put in place due to the abuse of money lending activities in Nigeria. Now that we know the regulations guiding money lending, we will move to the requirements for application for money lending services in Nigeria. I'll briefly be talking about the requirements for application in Lagos and Abuja. So for Lagos, the first thing is to have a cover letter stating that you want to apply for the money lending license. And the cover letter must be accompanied with certain documents. The documents include the incorporation documents of the company, which is the certificate of incorporation, the status report, and the memorandum and article of association. Also, the said cover letter must be accompanied by a tax clearance for the directors of the company. Also, it must be accompanied by a police clearance for the directors of the company and a reference letter from a commercial bank. So those are the documents to accompany the cover letter for application for money lending license in Lagos. Now to Abuja, you only need a cover letter and the certificate of incorporation of the company. Now that we know the requirements in Lagos and Abuja, we move to the procedures or the steps involved in money lending application. So the first procedure is application to the court. An application must be made to the chief magistrate to obtain a magistrate certificate. And with this application, certain documents must accompany the application, which is the incorporation certificate of the company and the tax clearance certificate of the company. After the magistrate certificate is obtained, an application will then be made to the Ministry of Home Affairs and Tourism for the application for the money lending license. And after the application is made to the ministry, visitation and inspection is followed. That means officials of the ministry will visit the office of the company to check their books, and if all requirements check out, the money lending license is issued. In Abuja, application is just made to the court for the money lending license. Now we need to know the validity period for a money lending license. A money lending license is only valid for 1 year, meaning that at the expiration of 1 year, the money lending license has to be renewed. So finally, it is important for any individual or company that intends to carry on money lending services in Nigeria to obtain a money lending license.